Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to Wellness Whirlpool. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy fats and exploring how they can make our meals deliciously nutritious. I'm excited to show you some easy and tasty recipes that will help you embrace healthy fats for a healthier you. Before we get cooking, let's quickly talk about why healthy fats are so important. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados and olive oil, are essential for our bodies. They provide a steady source of energy, support brain function, and help absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Plus, these fats can be great for our hearts too. Studies have shown that incorporating healthy fats into our diet can reduce the risk of heart disease and lower bad cholesterol levels. First up, let's talk about the superfood that everyone loves, avocados. Not only are they creamy and delicious, but they're also packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. One of my favorite ways to use avocados is by making a quick and easy avocado spread. Just mash up a ripe avocado, add a pinch of salt, a squeeze of lime, and you've got a fantastic toast topper or dip for veggies. It's so creamy and satisfying, and the best part is, you're nourishing your body with those healthy fats. Next up, we have the golden elixir of healthy fats, olive oil. It's a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, and for a good reason. Olive oil is rich in heart-loving monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Let's make a simple and flavorful salad dressing using olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, and a touch of honey. This dressing not only tastes amazing, but it also adds a burst of nutrition to your salads and vegetables. Healthy eating doesn't have to be bland. Now, onto the star of our show, salmon. This fatty fish is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, a type of polyunsaturated fat that's great for our brain and heart health. Grilled salmon is not only delicious, but it's also a breeze to prepare. Just a few minutes on each side, and you've got a tasty and nutritious main course. Pair your salmon with some steamed vegetables and quinoa for a well-rounded and wholesome meal that your body will thank you for. Next is a delightful chia seed pudding, a perfect breakfast or dessert option loaded with healthy fats and fiber. To make this pudding, combine chia seeds with your favorite plant-based milk, like almond or coconut milk. Add a touch of vanilla extract and a drizzle of honey for sweetness. After a few hours in the fridge, the chia seeds will absorb the liquid, creating a creamy and nutritious pudding. Top it with some fresh berries and a sprinkle of toasted coconut for a burst of flavor. Last but not least is walnut and spinach pesto pasta, a twist on traditional pesto with an extra dose of healthy fats. In a food processor, blend together fresh spinach, garlic, walnuts, olive oil, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese if you like. Toss this vibrant pesto sauce with whole grain pasta for a nutritious and satisfying meal that'll leave you feeling nourished and delighted. And there you have it, foodies, deliciously nutritious meals packed with healthy fats. Remember, embracing these fats can be a game changer for your overall health and well-being. If you enjoyed these recipes and found the information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty and nutritious ideas.